Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to turn off do not disturb mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered why there is some kind of a moon icon over here near to your time over here, or what it represents? So it's actually represent do not disturb mode on your iPhone, and if you want to turn it off, we have a couple of ways, and one among them is you need to go over here, do like this. So you'll be getting the control center. The first and famous step is all about use your hand, and you just need to, using the finger, just tap on the moon icon over here so that the do not disturb mode will be turned off. And also we have apparently one more step, that is all about what you need to do is you have to go to the do not disturb over here. Just go over here, tap on it near to it so that you'll be getting these options. Now from here you have to tap on do not disturb mode so it is turned off as well. Now apart from this, sometimes for some users they will not be having the widget of do not disturb mode here. So if that is the case, going to the control center is not going to work. If you're facing this kind of a panic situation, what you need to do is you have to use your Siri and you have to give them command so that they will be turning it off. So let me show you. Let me give the command to the Siri. Hey Siri, please turn off my do not disturb mode. Now as you can see, the do not disturb mode is turned off. Now tap over here, and right now near to your icon over here on the time you cannot see the moon icon, which means it's completely turned off. And also down the road, if you wanted to add the moon icon, the do not disturb mode, if you go to the control center, like I said, sometimes it will not be there. If that is the case, just go to the control center like this. Just tap on the add icon over here, the plus icon. Now from here you have to go to add a control. Now you can have all these kind of controls. You'll be able to find the do not disturb from here, or you can search it for do not disturb, or you can use it. Then you can add it so that it will be available here. Then you can use it. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.